Good afternoon and welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We're wrapping up our Consensus 2018 coverage in New York City. It's the world's largest blockchain conference, and helping me do this is Charles Yim. He is the CEO and founder of Cointopia. Thank you very much for joining us at MarketSite to wrap up coverage. Save the best for last, right?
Exactly. Thank you for having me.
It's been quite a conference this year. The amount of people and the buzz going on, it's been quite a run for them this year. So tell us about Cointopia and how does it help with ICOs?
Sure. So in a nutshell, Cointopia is a token platform, and we focus on three things. One is essentially the token sale. The second thing is essentially the post-ICO management portion of it. And thirdly is that we provide an ICO provider marketplace. So first and foremost, a lot of these ICO companies, they kind of struggle with bringing money to the table. So we are a compliant platform that brings actual accredited investors to the table. So we have a accredited investor base, and so we help shop their deal around to accredited investors, quality institutional investors, family offices, retail investors. And so we go ahead and secure a fee for that through a software solution, flat fee. And from there, we go ahead and help them basically secure their actual ICO from start to finish.
What's the most overlooked aspect of ICO management?
That's a very open question, obviously. I think an overlooked aspect is the regulatory compliance. And so we're there to essentially act as a golden standard, follow all the kind of the SEC guidelines. And so you'll see that a majority of the tokens out there fall into the category of being security tokens as opposed to utility tokens. And so having said that, there's a particular guideline that you need to follow to make sure that you're compliant and you're actually I would say constructing your ICO so that it falls within the proper guidelines.
All right. Well, thank you very much for joining us at MarketSite.
Yep.
Thank you for joining me throughout the coverage. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.